and welcome to You Can Do Eats. My name is Andre and I'm a self-taught cook. At You Can Do Eats, we like to show how you can make simple food taste good, especially during these COVID-19 times where you have limited budgets, limited time, limited ingredients, limited space, and possibly even limited cooking utensils. So, let's get right to it. Today, we are going to be making Tesco's pitted green olives with roasted peppers pasta. The end product looks a little like this. Well, cooking can sometimes be an expensive affair, but it doesn't have to be. This pasta dish is going to take you about 15 minutes to prepare if you have planned everything, and especially when you find a nice little pack of goodies just like this. I would recommend that you start boiling a pot of water beforehand and you could actually do that in a kettle, but find yourself a nice deep pot that can hold enough water to cover your pasta in. What you're going to do is you're going to heat the pan up, put about a tablespoonful of butter down, and sprinkle generously with some Italian herbs and some spices. You're going to let that sizzle together with butter until you can smell that delicious aroma, and once that is done, you can throw in your pasta. In this case, we're using Fusili, and immediately pour that boiling hot water down on top of it and give it a good stir. Let that come to a good boil, and it will take approximately 7 to 8 minutes. The pasta should not be too soft. It should have a little bit of spring once when you're testing it, and after that you can take the pasta and the water out. Now, once your pasta has been taken out of the pan, you will be using the same pot or pan that you had just been cooking your pasta in. Put your bacon into it. Let it come to a good sizzle. Hopefully it will get to the stage that it caramelizes, it'll be a little crunchy, and it'll be still a little soft and springy. And once that happens, you can put in 2 tablespoons also of tomato paste. You can add more if you want a stronger tomato flavor. You can add less if you don't like it too strong. So once that is done, you can slowly start spooning the pasta back in, and a little bit of that water back into it. Give it a good mix, and once that is done, you can put your Tesco's pitted olives into that and give it a nice good mix. Take it off the heat and let it sit for a while. After that, put it onto a plate. It will look gorgeous as it is. Sprinkle with a little bit of cheese. You may want to top it with a little bit of chili to give it an extra bite. If not, it will be perfect as it is. And there you go, pitted olives and roasted peppers pasta together with bacon. If you have liked this recipe, please don't forget to leave your comments below and like and subscribe. We'll see you soon with yet another recipe that will make simple things taste good and show you that you too can do eats. This is Andre. See you soon.